Good evening, class. My name is Isaiah Davis, and for today's math final project, I will be teaching you conditional probability. So, conditional probability is the probability of an event given that another event has occurred. Sorry. So, on my left here is the basic formula for conditional probability. So, it's new technology. So, on the left here, you see the formula for conditional probability with P in parentheses A/B. This means event A occurred given event B has already occurred. On my left here, at the top of the fraction, this means the probability, this means both of the probabilities have occurred, A and B. And at the bottom of the fraction is pretty self-explanatory, meaning that this is only the event of B. So basically, this formula is saying that what are the possible ways event A and event B occurred, which is the numerator, divided by all the ways event B can occur, which is the numerator. Conditional probability is used in our everyday life, whether you see it or not. So let's take a look at gambling. Conditional probability plays a significant role in games where events depend on each other, such as football, such as basketball, any sport, any if even if it goes to e-gaming, any sport, you could determine the conditional probability. In a card game such as blackjack, which is a pretty popular game played in casinos all over the world, this game is very popular and known. I guarantee our parents played it before. But basically, in the game of blackjack, conditional probability is crucial. Knowing the probability of drawing a certain card given the current cards on the table can help you decide whether to hit or stand. In sports betting, conditional probability can also help. The conditional probability can help the bettors assess the likelihood of certain like outcomes due to factors that happen in the game, such as injuries, a 2-minute warning, or anything that occurs in the game that can change, the momentum or shift the outcome of the game, basically, and that all ties along in with conditional probability. Okay, so here are some step-by-step problems that I created for you guys to follow along with. So the first problem is, we're gonna read it out. In a group of 100 sports car buyers, 40 alarm systems are bought, 30 purchase bucket seats, and 20 purchase both alarms and bucket seats. If a car buyer chosen at random buys an alarm system, what is the probability of him? Well, what is the probability of them also buying bucket seats? Sorry. So step one. So of course at the top, this is the formula. So step one, it says this is what you're gonna do. So find P. Well, find B, and that is the given in the.
He said he's gonna be here in like 1 minute.
You better slide. Okay, so here are some step-by-step problems I created for the class. And the first question is, in a group of 100 sports car buyers, 40 bought alarm system, 30 bought bucket seats, and 20 purchased alarm systems and as well as bucket seats. If a car buyer chosen at random bought an alarm system, what is the probability they also bought bucket seats? So here, this is the first problem right here. So as you can see in step one, we're finding B. And basically what you want to do is use your formula up here above the step one and plug in your answers that was given already. So you see we got 40, we just want to plug it in. So you got 40 bottle alarm system. So you're going to plug that in and it simplifies down to 40%. And in step two, you also want to find the next, which is the 20 people out of 100. And you want to put that as a fraction. And you want to put that 20 over 100. And that will equal down to either 0.2 or 20%. And for step three, basically all you do is plug in all your numbers into your formula and you should get 0.5. So right here is the answer. So if a car buyer chosen at random bought an alarm system, the probability that they also bought bucket seats is 0.5 or 50. And problem two, here's another one. We have a table. So the question is, what is the probability at randomly selected person? A randomly selected person is a female given that they own a pet. So here again, this is the formula. And with step one, it's a little bit different. So in step two, in the first problem, you see that we just plugged in our numbers to the formula. But here, we want to change the formula. We're going to put F and we want to put PO for F female and PO for pet owner. So basically, as in the first, you want to use what you already have. So we have some numbers in our table right here. So with step two, what you want to do is plug in. So in this table, 0.41 is already given. So when you scroll down, all you do is plug in and there's your answer. Thank you.